Okay, Shelby, here's a review for your final exam. I make $12 per hour. If I work 20 hours, how much money will I make? Okay, now, this $12 per hour, that means I make $12 every hour I work. So I write 12 times, and then I got to find the number of hours I work. So I have 20 hours, so it's 12 times 20. And that equals how much money I will make. So 12 times 20 gives me 240. So I'm going to make $240. Okay, number two, I make $15 per hour. How many hours will I need to work to make $600? So again, $15 per hour means I make $15 every hour I work. So 15 times the number of hours. Now, I don't have the number of hours, so I don't know the hours. So since I don't know the hours, I'm going to put an X there. And then equals, I do know how much I make, though. I make $600. Okay, so find how many hours I work. I need to divide both sides by 15. And that's X. And then 600 divided by 15 is 40. Now, I don't know the hours, but now I know the hours. I know I have to work 40 hours to make $600. Okay, now this problem is hard. This next one, it's pretty long. I make $12 per hour. I work 45 hours. 5% of my pay is deducted for federal tax. 4% is deducted for Social Security. Find the net pay. Okay, here's what we do. I worked more than 40 hours. So when I work more than 40 hours, I get paid for regular time and overtime. Now, my regular pay is $12 per hour, so $12 per hour. But I don't multiply by all 45 hours, okay? I just multiply by 40 hours. Okay, so 12 times 40. It's $480. Now, my overtime pay, here's what I need to do. I need to figure out how much money I make. To find that, I multiply the 12 times 1.5. That's the law, okay? When you work overtime, you have to get paid more than $12, and you times it by 1.5. That's 18. Times, but now I got to figure out how many hours I work, okay? Now, I worked 45 hours, but I already have 40 of those over here. So how many are left? 45 minus 40 is 5. So I worked 5 hours overtime. So 18 times 5. What? What's up, dude? I'm just filming I'm just filming a video here. No, you're fine. You're fine. I can pause it.